Imagine a drink so vibrant in color it appears to be a liquid gem. A drink so rich in history it has been part of ceremonial traditions for centuries. Welcome to the world of matcha. This remarkable green tea, celebrated for its unique flavor, has its roots deeply embedded in Japanese tea ceremonies. Its modern appeal? A superfood status. With an allure that goes beyond its vibrant hue, matcha has garnered a global fan base. This green elixir is none other than matcha, a finely ground powder of specially grown and processed green tea leaves. You may wonder, isn't matcha just green tea? Well, there's more to the story. Indeed, both matcha and green tea come from the same plant, Camellia sinensis. But that's where the similarity ends. The cultivation process of matcha sets it apart. Grown under shade, the tea leaves develop a higher chlorophyll content, contributing to its signature vibrant green color. These leaves are then ground into a fine powder. That's matcha for you. Now, why does this matter? This unique process boosts the antioxidant content in matcha, giving it a superfood status. Matcha boasts a particular type of antioxidant known as catechins, which are incredibly beneficial for our health. Plus, matcha is rich in L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus. And let's not forget the flavor. Matcha offers a fuller, more potent taste than regular green tea, making it a favorite among many tea lovers. So, while both come from the same plant, matcha takes green tea to a whole new level, offering unique health benefits and a distinct flavor profile. The allure of matcha extends beyond its color and taste. This vibrant green elixir is a powerhouse of health benefits. Imagine sipping on a cup of tea that is packed with potent antioxidants called catechins, which shield your cells from damage and enhance overall health. That's matcha for you. But that's not all. The unique blend of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha works to promote alertness and mental clarity, minus the jittery sensation common with coffee. It's a calm energy boost, if you will. Matcha is also known to support weight management by enhancing metabolism and fat oxidation. It's a detoxifying agent thanks to the chlorophyll content, and it bolsters your immune system with its rich blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Regular matcha drinkers may also enjoy a reduced risk of heart disease, healthier skin, improved athletic performance, and anti-inflammatory benefits. So, as you sip on your next cup of matcha, remember to appreciate not just its taste, but also the multitude of benefits it brings to your health. Matcha is more than just a drink, it's an experience. It's about savoring the flavor, appreciating the vibrant green hue, and taking a moment to connect with its rich history. Every sip is a nod to tradition, a celebration of health benefits, and a testament to the art of mindfulness. The act of preparing and drinking matcha is a form of mindfulness practice, a serene pause in the hustle and bustle of life. The next time you make a cup of matcha, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant green color, the soothing aroma, and the health-boosting properties of this special green tea.